learn how to make biryani within just only 30 minutes. Or maybe I can just say within just only 9 minutes. Will you believe that? Okay, now come here close and have a seat a little bit. And let me give you the instruction to make the perfect one. Simple, easy, kid-friendly, and amazing. So you will start by grabbing your meat and wash it very nicely. Fill your supriya with water and put it on the stove. Light your stove and then put your spices and grab your meat and put it inside right away. Easy cooking. And you are feeling so generous, or maybe I can just say it's a recommendation. Take your one onion and cut it very nicely. Put it inside. Let them boil together. In the meantime, grab your another supriya, another pot, small one. Grab it and add water it and let the water boil. Bring your 2 cups of rice. Wash it really nicely and boil and start boiling your rice on the other side. And then take your spices and add them in the meat area. I mean in the meat area. Even if you're feeling generous to add some within the rice. It's gonna be amazing, believe me. And on top of that, add the green thing for tea. I don't know how they call it because I don't know them. But I know in Arabic it's called haban. Add some haban and add some grounful too. Add them together. And it's going to be amazing. Aroma is going to be so good. When you then wash your rice really nicely until you see the water running clear. And then bring it in the other side, add them inside the pot, and stir it really, really nicely. And let it boil. Now you can even transfer the supriya to the other side to prepare the right thing to do. I mean to cut the onion. So just grab your onion, cut them really nicely. Guys, my stove is not that big, so I have to change things around and around and around. So when you see that, it's the same thing we're doing, but we have to keep changing things. So bring your other supriya on the other side, grab it there, and make sure to remove the rice on there because you don't want it to cook. You just want it halfway cooked, not done. Because it's gonna be done later on with the soup and all this stuff, ingredient and all that, and then that's how we call it biryani. Otherwise, without doing that, it will not be biryani. It will be something else. So in the meantime, just keep removing your rice, put it in the other side, and transfer it to another side later when you're done. So and now let me take this golden opportunity to thank you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for being a part of this channel. Thank you to my subscribers and my viewers. I really thank you guys and welcome and be a part of this one. Join me. You new, you just joining me for the first time. You are highly welcome. This is the Nyajima kitchen. It used to be Chef Nyaje lifestyle cooking, but it's still Nyajima kitchen lifestyle cooking. Still going. When you're done chopping all your onion and your onions has come brown and all this stuff happen and you chop your garlic and you put them inside, you just need to remove some of the onion to put later on. Remove some of them, put them on the other side, and then leave some of the onion to the fry one. Leave them, and then here you're gonna be follow exactly what I say here, what I'm doing here, and then we should be good. Yeah. So on the other side, grab your nyanya or tomatoes, put them or pour it inside and mix it really nicely. Try to crush it with what you're using actually, and then in the meantime, grab your drainer and take the meat out. And when you're take the meat out, pour them on the other side. But if you want now to remove the spices, especially like bay leaf and cinnamon, it's your chance to remove them. But if you want to let them be, you can just let them be. Here, you just remove the meat and pour it on the other side because we are just going to have to prepare the biryani, the perfect one, the perfect biryani. So good and amazing. Oh yeah, now let's mix very nicely. Let's mix and we're going to season the entire thing. We're going to do this special seasoning to give that taste, to give that flavor we're looking for. So you start with your Greek yogurt. We know Greek yogurt is really sour, but let me tell you here, don't dig inside the Greek yogurt that really much because inside it's got like some fluid down there. It can release that one to go to the food and you don't want it. You just need the yogurt only. And then mix the yogurt really well. Mix the yogurt really well. When the yogurt is really done, mix very well. Pour some soup. The soup we just used the meat soup we drain. But you can seasoning it fast. You prefer whatever you prefer. Yeah, it doesn't have to be this and that. It have to be what you want to go first. You want the spices to go first, you can go ahead. You want the soup to go first, you can go ahead and then seasoning later. But for me, I just go with the seasoning. The seasoning, normal seasoning I always use. So they are not new year. They're always used here. Because I like this particular. So when I'm like cooking different food, like what I'm cooking today, there are some spices I will not go in there. And there are some will go in there because it depends with the dish I'm making. Is the dish friendly with the spices I'm using, they go with. If they are not, I use totally different spices. But this one, there are a few of the spices I usually use inside. So yeah. That what happened. But I'm gonna try to put everything in the description. You may check there. You can find whatever you're looking for. There we go. I pour the soup inside, and I'm gonna mix it really well. And then when it's done mixing, that when I'm gonna get our rice. Remember the rice we prepare. The rice we prepare first, and it's on the other side. I'm gonna grab it now and then come and put it inside. At this time, yeah, it's so good to go, and the meat is already been cooked done. The meat need to be done actually because I know like it's why will you cook it again? I like my meat to be done cook. Yeah, I love it that way. Yeah, on the other side, just prepare your thing on the other side and then grab your rice and then try to put it on top of it. Make sure you look for the perfect rice actually because there's so many rice like can go wrong with this one and can go good with this one. Like this rice I'm using here is not the perfect rice for the biryani, but because I didn't have a choice, I was running late and that's the rice I have in my house, so I got to go with this. But it wasn't the rice you're supposed to use with biryani. There are some rice in the shop you can use and you can find them. Yeah. Yes, I'm back, guys. There was a noise in the background, so I have to mute the camera first. I have to mute the mic. Yeah, we go again. When you're done, like mixing all your rice together, make sure you like put the special touch of the onion we just removed before. You're gonna pour it on top of it, on top. When you're done, like spread it around. Come on again. What the word? Press it. Oh yeah, come on. Liaba around. Mix. Put it on top of it. Around and around, press it around like that, and it should be good. And then you have the ghee, yes, especially you have like ghee or butter you can use, but use ghee. That should be nice. But for me, I like that special color, so I add paprika, and that's the ghee I'm using. That one is what you get when you like make the what the name again, butter, and then you left with that thing. Yeah, okay, there we go. Put it like that. Grab your lid and cover it exactly. Give it like 10 minutes to 15 minutes. And when you come back, make sure the stove like is not in too much heat. Make sure the heat is not too much. Make sure it's like low. You can put it in the medium to make sure it's cooked perfectly. And you have like special green like this, you can just pour them. You don't, you good to go. Right here, you come back, it's ready. Now it's good for you to just mix it. If you want, you can mix it. Look at the color, guys. Wow, so good. The color is so nice. I love the food. And I love it, it's so good, actually. Mix meat with rice together. Oh, my God. Yeah, it is the perfect biryani for me. Because so far, so good. And the aroma, guys. The aroma was so amazing. Look at it. And I just put it inside the bowl. Now we're going to just enjoy it. We're going to do the taste test. Yes. There. This is the time I've been waiting for. Now you can just remove your spices. You're like, Nyajima, haven't removed yours. But you did. Congratulations. But you did it. Now time to remove them. So far, get your spoon, dig in there, and taste and give you the honest opinion about this one. Guys, I will make it again this week. Oh, it was so amazing. Oh, so good. That is my ball right there. I just have to go and finish it. But for that, I have to be offline. See you in another video.